Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Colin Costello. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. Today, we're going to talk about a stock that has soared over 30% in the last 5 days. That stock is NIO stock. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn some ways to make your money start working for you, then hit that subscribe button down below. Now, let's get into the video. Here's an article put out by Forbes on October 15th that says NIO stock popped 26%, 3 reasons it's not too late to buy. Soaring sales, expectations beating results, high product quality. NIO stock popped on October 14th, up 26% due to a bullish report from JP Morgan. According to Barron's, analyst Nick Lai upgraded NIO stock from hold to buy with a price target of $40, nearly twice where the stock traded before Lai's buy recommendation. NIO is expected to be a winner in the premium space of the EV Chinese market. Lai expects EVs to control 20% of the Chinese vehicle market in 2025, up from less than 5% now, driven by a change in consumer preferences and reduction in EV prices as battery costs fall, according to Business Insider. NIO's share price rise has outpaced Tesla in 2020. As of October 14th, NIO stock had risen 612%, well ahead of Tesla's 375% rise. NIO's valuation at 24.4 times sales vastly exceeds that of Tesla. $1 of sales of both is worth way more than GM's. Let's take a look at a far-out vision known as Eve of NIO's. It's pretty cool in my opinion.
While I'm asleep, my car would watch out for people in the street. It'll speak to other cars in a secret language. And it's going to look so cool. Like it's from the future. One day, it will be real. And I'll call it Eve.
Eve is one of NIO's far-out visions, but pretty amazing looking if you want my opinion. Another thing I like about this is Tencent, a Chinese gaming company that is huge, just recently increased their position in this company. Also, NIO is backed by the Chinese government. They almost went bankrupt back in March. They were trading around like $1 a share, around somewhere from there. I remember checking it out. It was like $3 a share, and I was very interested, but there was rumors that it might go bankrupt at the time. And now I really wish I jumped on it, but you know, what can you do? Hindsight's 2020. Let's look a little bit at their charging process and the few different ways they offer charging, as it's pretty unique, and I think it's a pretty cool. Also has a charge truck that can come and charge your vehicle, or they will come and pick your vehicle up and bring it back charged. Now at this time I'm not invested in NIO, but it's just caught my attention again. So what I want you guys to do is leave me a comment down below if you're invested in NIO and you were lucky enough to buy this before it went crazy. Let me know how many shares you got, and I just want to throw you my opinion. I think this stock long term is a great investment, and on a pullback, I'm definitely interested in getting into it. So let's look a little bit at their balance sheet, as they do have some debt that, when they borrowed money from the government backed them to bail them out. So they did acquire some debt, and they don't have the best balance sheet. And we're on Market Watch under financials, ticker symbol NIO for NIO. This is their balance sheet. You can see right there, the first line is cash and short-term investments. You can see in 2019 they have 151.65 million. This is 2019. You can see their short-term investments. They have 15.94 million. That's right under cash only there. And then we scroll down and we look for long-term investments. We see for long-term investments they have 22.95 million. And then we want to see what they have for debt, which short-term debt they have 214.53 million. That's a lot of debt. Of course, this is 2019. We haven't seen their newest one yet. And for long-term debt, they have, long-term debt, they have 1.27 billion. So they have a pretty substantial amount of debt. Not the most attractive balance sheet, but hey, I've seen worse, and this is a company that's growing in an emerging market that's going to be huge, and they're going to have a huge market share. So, with that being said, I want to hear from all of you. Let me hear if you're invested in NIO. Let me hear how many shares you got so I can say congratulations. I do think this is a great long-term investment, and I will get into it on a pullback. Right now, I think it's a little frothy. So, thank you for tuning in. Till next time, I'm Cullum Costello. Hit that subscribe button, tap that thumbs up, and go out and get money.